name is Jordin. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Seattle. My family is originally from Mexico, and I've gone back and forth between living in Mexico and the U.S. And I've been with Mercedes for a little bit under 3 years. I originally was going to college for engineering. Did a little bit of engineering in high school, and before starting college I needed to find a job, so I walked into an independent shop and had no prior experience working on any type of car, but they gave me the job because I spoke Spanish and English, and I would help them communicate with all different customers. And just in the shop there were two very friendly technicians that took their time and showed me how to do the basics, oil changes, brakes, alternators and stuff, and just kind of got hooked into it, and eventually ended up switching my career choice to automotive mechanics instead of engineering. I studied Automotive Technology at Chattahoochee Technical College in Marietta. Took me about 2 years to graduate, and while I was in school I met Michael Brown, who is now a team leader for one of the groups here at RBM of Atlanta. And at the time he was a student with me also at Chattahoochee Technical College. He helped me contact the manager and speak with them, and got an interview after that and ended up getting the job. Once I got hired at RBM of Atlanta, they started me off as a technician in training in the downstairs shop, at which point that was called Premier Express, and there I learned how to do basic maintenance, tire rotations, nothing too complicated, so I could get used to that first. Once I was done with that, they moved me upstairs to the main shop, and there you start off doing regular maintenance while you get used to everything, and then later on you start doing a little bit more diagnostic, and you get eased into that also, and then after that it's a little bit of everything, whatever comes into the shop. You have team leaders, shop foremen, managers that you can go to whenever you get stuck on something. So it's a very comfortable place to work in, and you always have the help you need. And lately I was given the chance to do Roadside, so 24/7 service, and we'll go out and help people out that are stuck on the side of the road. And this is just helping me. I'll do Roadside and be in the shop at different times of the month, and it just helps me as far as Roadside increase my customer service skills, because you have to be upfront with the customer, and also being in the shop helps me improve my mechanical skills. RBM of Atlanta is I think a great career choice. Like I said, my transition from going to technician in training to being a tech on the line to doing a little bit more diagnostic. There's always a path to do something better or be in a bigger position. Hopefully one day I could be a team leader or a shop foreman. Obviously after I go through all the experience and gain all the knowledge that there is still to gain. To help me grow in the positions I want to get to. RBM of Atlanta has allowed me to go to different Mercedes-Benz certified schools just to gain more knowledge, and as of now I'm STAR certified, and as you keep on taking more classes and learning more, you can eventually be master certified, so that's one of the things I'm looking forward to getting to.